Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter linear equations. The lessons we're going to cover today are write a linear equation from a slope and a point, write a linear equation from 2 points, slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 8 math. The chapter we're on right now is linear equations. Let's just start with the lesson that is write a linear equation from a slope and a point. Write a linear equation from a slope and a point. So let's just start with the first example. There is a line that includes the point 2, 8 and has a slope of 3. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So first thing you need to learn here is what is the slope intercept form. The slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Here is the slope intercept form, right? You are given the slope m equals 3, right? You are given a point 2 and 8, right? So the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 8. So you need to use the slope, the x value, the y value, and calculate the value of b, right? That would be 8 equals 3 times 2 plus b. You need to subtract 6 other sides, so you are left with b. Now you have the y-intercept that is b, so you can write down the equation y equals mx plus b. Slope you are given in the question, so that is y equals 3x plus 2. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Let's see how do we write the equations using the slope and the point. So a line that includes the point 4, 7 and has a slope 4. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So you are given the slope m, that is 4. Here is m. You are given a point, that is the x coordinate, and that is the y coordinate. So you need to calculate y equals mx plus b, right? You have the slope, the x and the y value. We need to calculate y. Just put up all the values. Y is 7, m is 4, x is 4, and plus b. So that is b equals 7 minus 16. So 7 minus 16 is negative 9. So you can write down the equation now. Y equals m is 4, x and plus b. So that is negative 9. So the correct option is y equals 4x minus 9. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. A line that includes the point 0, 3 and has a slope of 2. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? So you are given the slope m, that is 2. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3. Y equals m is 2, x plus b. You need to calculate the b. Use this x and y, this point, right? Y is 3, x is 0 plus b. So that means b equals 3. So that is y equals 2x plus 3. The correct option is y equals 2x plus 3. So let's just move on to next one, that is y equals 2x plus b, 2x plus 3. So let's just move on to next one. A line that includes the point 2, 0 and has a slope of 3. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So which is the correct option? So you are given the slope 3, right? Just use the slope and the point, calculate the value of b. Slope is 3x plus b, right? So you have y is 2, x is 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. So that means b equals 2. No, x is 2, y is 0. Sorry. That is uh, y is 0 and x is 2. 0 equals 3 times 2 plus b. So that means b equals negative 6. So the equation is y equals 3x minus 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1. The correct option is option number 1. Y equals 3x minus 6 is the correct option. A line has a slope of 8 and passes through the point 1 and 10. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So you are given the slope, that is 8. So the correct option, let's just use the slope and the point, calculate the b. Y equals 8x plus b. X is 1, y is 10. 10 equals 8 times 1 plus b. So b equals 10 minus 8. So b equals 2. So the correct option is y equals 8x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is y equals 8x plus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. A line with a slope of 6 passes through the point 0, 5. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So, which is the correct option? So, you are given the slope that is 6 and the point that is 0, 5. So, just use the point and calculate the equation. Mm, x is 0. Yes, very good. That is y equals 6x plus 5. Very good. Okay, the next one is a line with a slope of 7 passes through the point 1 and 4. What is its equation in the slope intercept form? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. That is y equals 7x minus 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? A line has a slope of 5 and passes through the point 1, 3. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? The correct option is y equals 5x minus 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is write a linear equation from 2 points. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, the points 1, 8 and 0, 6 fall on a particular line. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? So you are given 2 points, right? You have to write down the equation in slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. So let's just see which things you have to calculate. Y equals mx plus b, you are just given 2 points, right? So use these 2 points and calculate the slope first, right? When you have the slope, use either of the point with the slope and calculate the value of b. That's it. Let's just see how do we calculate the slope 1, 8 and 0, 6. So the slope is change in y divided by change in x. So subtract their y coordinates divided by the x coordinates. So the slope is 2, right? Now you have the slope. Use any of the given points with the slope and calculate the value of b, like they use here you have used 1 and 8. So 8 equals 2 times 1 plus b, so b equals 6. Now you have the slope, the b, so the equation is y equals mx plus b, so the equation is y equals 2x plus 6. Got it? So basically what you have to do, the first thing is you need to calculate the slope using the 2 points. The second thing is when you have the slope, use the slope and any of the given point, like you're given 2 points, you can use one of them and calculate the value of b, and then you are done with the equation, right? Let's just start with the test questions. A line includes the point 2, 6 and 1, 4. Okay, you are given the points. Let's just calculate the slope first. The first thing is slope. Change in y divided by change in x. 4 minus 6 divided by 1 minus 2. Negative 2 over negative 1, that is 2. Now use this slope and I'm going to use the first equation. Let's just calculate the b. Okay, so y equals y is 6, m is 2, x is 2 and plus b. So b equals 6 minus 4, b equals 2. So you have the slope, you have the b. So the correct option is y equals 2x plus 2. Okay, so let's just move on to the next question. That is y equals 2x plus 2. A line includes the point 2, 2 and 3, 7. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So the first thing is you need to calculate the slope, right? So slope is change in y divided by change in x. So subtract the y coordinates. That is 7 minus 2 and 3 minus 2. So the slope is 5, right? Now use the slope and any of the point. I'm going to use the second one, right? So y is 7, m is 5, x is 3 plus b. So that is 7 and 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 7 minus 15 is b equals b, and b equals negative 8. So the correct option is b, y equals 5x minus 8. The correct option is y equals 5x minus 8. Got it? So option number 2 is the correct option. Y equals 5x minus 2. A line passes through the point 5, 10, and 4, 6. What is its equation in slope intercept form? So first thing you need to calculate the slope, and then you have to calculate the b. So m equals change in y. 6 minus 10 divided by 4 minus 5. That is 4 over negative 4 over negative 1. So 4 it is. The correct option is 4. So slope is 4, right? Now use the slope and any of the point and calculate the value of b. So that is y is 10, m is 4, x is 5, and plus b. So b equals 10 minus 20, b equals negative 10, right? So that means the correct option is y equals 4x minus 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Y equals 4x minus 10. Okay, so which is the correct option? Mm, the slope is m equals 5 minus 8 divided by 0 minus 1. That is negative 3 over negative 1. So the slope is 3, right? And the point is, I'm going to use the first y is 5 equals 3 times 0 plus b. So b equals 5. The correct option is y equals 3x plus 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is y equals 3x plus 5. A line includes 4, 2 and 7, 8. Fall on a particular line. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? So which is the correct option? That is y equals 2x minus x. Option number 2 is the correct option. A line passes through the point 0, 3 and 1, 9. What is its equation in slope-intercept form? So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is y equals 6x plus 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is slope of parallel and perpendicular lines. Line Q has a slope 7 by 6. Line R is parallel to line Q. What is the slope of line R? So if two lines are parallel, they have exactly the same slopes. So line R and line Q are parallel, so they have exactly same slope. So if two lines are perpendicular, they have the negative reciprocal, right? Just look at the second example. The line M has a slope negative 5 by 3, right? Line N is perpendicular to M. What is the slope of line L? Now the lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, their slope line LN is perpendicular to M, so its slope is opposite reciprocal. Opposite means you have to interchange a numerator and a denominator and multiply with a negative sign. So that is 3 over 5. The correct option is 3 by 5. Let's just start with the test questions. Line T has a slope negative 5 by 2 and line U has a slope 5 by 2. Line T and U are parallel or perpendicular. So which is the correct option? Neither, right? Because if the lines are parallel, they have the same slope. If the lines are perpendicular, their slopes are negative reciprocal. So that is not the negative reciprocal. So neither it is. Line U has a slope of negative 3 by 5. Line V is parallel to line U. What is the slope of the line V? So the lines are parallel, right? That means they have exactly same slope. So negative 3 by 5. Line G has a slope of negative 2 by line. Line H is perpendicular to G. What is the slope of line H? So the lines are perpendicular. Their slopes are negative reciprocal. So that is 9 over 2. Line T has a slope negative 8 by 9. Line U is parallel to line T. What is the slope of line U? The lines are parallel, so they have exactly same slope. The correct option is negative 8 over 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. Line E has a slope of negative 5 over 4. Line F has a slope of 4 by 5. And are the lines E and line F parallel or perpendicular? The correct option is the slopes are negative reciprocal, so that means the lines are perpendicular. Line P has a slope of 9 by 2. Line Q is perpendicular to P. What is the slope of line Q? which is the correct option. Lines are perpendicular, so the slopes would be negative reciprocal, so that is negative 2 by 9. Line B has a slope of 3 by 5. Line C is parallel to line B. What is the slope of line C? So they are parallel, they have exactly same slope, so that is 3 by 5. Line S has a slope of 4 by 5, 4 by 7. Line T has the slope negative 7 by 4. Line S and line T parallel or perpendicular. So which is the correct option? They are negative reciprocal, so perpendicular it is. Line U has a slope of negative 9 by 5. Line V is perpendicular to U. What is the slope of line V? The correct option is lines are perpendicular, so their slopes are negative reciprocal, that is 5 by 9. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is linear equations. The lessons we have covered today are write a linear equation from a slope and a point, write a linear equation from 2 points, and slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. They are available during the shift timing, that is from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Got it? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please write down the question in the chat box. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box if you need more help with any of the lesson. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.